dito sa amin kagabi. Ang ganda ng clouds, oh. Brandon, nice to meet you, yeah, brother. Beautiful. Yes, not American. Every Filipino always say I'm American. Yeah, you see, from Australian, so you're Australian man. From Australia. Ang ganda ng clouds, oh. What's all of you? Brandon, I love the band from your country, Michael Learns to Rocks. But I'm a Jubi Manian. Australian din pa si si Michael Learns. You guys, I fishing boat. Fishing boat. Oh, umuusok. Why? Ay, umuusok. Bakit? I love you. Yes, mami, pati air supply Australian. Kaya letting out a lot of smoke. Yes. Nakikita niya. Yeah, mini usok. Oh? Ayan, we have a fishing boat again. See? Please, thank you so much, Gay. That's long way out and I think I can still hear the engine. Yeah, for the engine, yung usok niya. Very speed. Very mabilis ang kanyang takbo. Sana bumalik sa kalinisan. Hello, Shan! Thank you so much. Mamaya mag-ano ako. Thank you so much sa thumbs up. Sa thumbs up. Alam nyo guys, ang ang sun dito sa amin is white. Thank you so much for the love. Ayan. You see guys. Puti. Yung white sand. He's in a hurry. I think his dinner is ready. Thank you so much, Brendan. Thank you. Enjoy your dinner. Oh. Thank you so much. Mommy, yes. What can I do? What can I do? Medyo marumi lang eh. Ang ganda ng cloud, the rainbow. See you later, Mami. Okay. Ang ganda talaga ng mag-live sana ako kagabi. Kaya nga lang. Okay, bye-bye. I talk another time. Okay, thank you so much for dropping my live. Thank you so much, Brendan. I hope nag-enjoy ka sa aking live. Bye-bye. Regards to your wife.